Hello everyone, welcome back to Shraddha Academy. So in this video we are going to learn about the spermatogenesis, where you can see the clear embryological model which will be asked in the practical examinations of the anatomy. So let us first see the diagrammatic surface of the spermatogenesis. So as you can see, this is the diagrammatic, the layer or the parts we can see the spermatogenesis. This is a spermatogonia which is diploid, and it is in the meiosis 1 where 46 is number is present. Okay, just remember for examination, this is the spermatogonia. From that, the primary spermatocyte, second spermatocyte, and spermatids, and last the mature sperms will arise. Then in meiosis 2, what will happen is, after primary spermatocytes, the meiosis second will appear, where the cells will become haploid cells, that is 23 in number. In first it was 46, it will become half of 46, that is 23. Okay, then after this spermatids will occur. From spermatids you can see 23 chromosomes will be present. Okay, so this will become mature sperms, which is known as spermatozoa. Okay, so definition of the spermatogenesis is the process of formation of the sperm from the spermatogonia. See, simple. Spermatogenesis is the process of formation of sperm. From where? From spermatogonia. So basically spermatogenesis is the process of formation of the sperm from spermatogonia, is known as spermatogenesis. What is the site? Where does it occur? It occurs in seminiferous tubules of the testis, which starts from the puberty. Supporting cells for this spermatogenesis is Sertoli cells and leading cells. Hormonal control are FSH, LH and testosterone. LH is lubricating hormone and FSH is follicle stimulating hormone. So as I said in the diagrammatic process, so here you can see this, imagine as a spermatogonia. Okay, and then these are the spermatid, secondary spermatocyte, primary spermatocyte, what is this? Spermatogonia, primary spermatocyte, secondary spermatocyte, this is spermatids, and this is the sperms. Formation of the sperms from the spermatogonia is known as spermatogenesis. Okay, so let us know about the stages of the spermatogenesis, where the examiner might ask in the practical examination. So as you know, the spermatogonial phase, it is a primitive germ cells where diploid cells are present, which are divided by the mitosis. The function is to increase number of germ cells. In the growth phase, you see the primary spermatocyte, where spermatogonia enlarge to form one primary site, which is diploid of 46 chromosomes. Okay, it is the, in growth phase you will see the enlargement of the primary spermatocyte. In maturation phase, you see the meiosis 1, where primary spermatocyte will divide into secondary spermatocyte. Now secondary spermatocyte, which is in haploid cells of 23 chromosomes, which is half of the 46 chromosomes. Then in meiosis 2, that is spermatocyte divides into 4 spermatids. Now what happens is, spermatogenesis is, in this, spermatids transform into spermatozoa. The changes include a formation of head of the, I'm talking about the sperm. Okay, so the sperm, how it will occur is, the changes includes are formation of head, formation of acrosome, development of the tail, mitochondrial arrange in middle piece. The mitochondria which is there, it will arrange in the middle piece of the sperm. This is the final product, where you see the 4 mature sperms are formed from one spermatocyte. So this is the answer, you have to say it in the practical examination. So let us also know about the sperm model. Okay, so this will be the sperm model which will be kept on the table to identify in the embryology. So the sperm is the male reproductive cell, which is known as the male gamete, which is responsible for the fertilization. Over 200 to 300 million sperms will occur in male. The parts of the sperm is the head. This is also known as the acrosome. Okay, the middle part which I said, the mitochondria is present, and in between the head and the body is the neck presence of the neck is there, and then the tail is present. The head contains the nucleus and acrosome contains the enzymes. The neck is the connection between the head and the middle piece, which is also known as the body. Then the middle piece contains the mitochondria, and which produces energy. Obviously, mitochondria always produces energy in the form of ATP. Then the tail helps for movement. Tail is just because of occurring the movement. Okay. Then the functions of this sperm model are: carries male genetic material, determines sex of the baby, transfer hereditary characters, fertilization of ovum, activates development of embryo. The abnormalities of the sperms are long head, short head, small head, double head, irregular head, bent neck, thick middle piece, irregular mitochondria, and this is short tail, long tail, broken tail, double tail. Effect is due to difficulty in fertilization. If there is difficulty in fertilization, then definitely abnormalities of the sperm will come, and then due to that the fetus will not develop properly, normally. It will develop abnormally. So that's why the fertilization of the correct sperm is very important. So here are the some important points which the examiner might ask, that is oligospermia means the low sperm count, azoospermia means absence of sperm in the semen, and azotospermia is the reduced sperm motility. Coming to the teratozoospermia, that is the abnormal shape of the sperm. The important features of this, what the sperm are: shape, size, chromosomes, maturity, nature of the sperm. This is the motility of the sperm. So this was all about the model which you can say about the spermatogenesis and the sperm model. So hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel and comment below.